Hi, my name is Joe Cotton. Hi, my name is Joe Cotton, and welcome to Cotton's Stock of the Week. I will be featuring stock picks every week or every other week on YouTube. Today's picks are pot stocks, which have been in a severe bear market for the last 3 years, but they're starting to move. The reason being that they can't go any lower, really. And I think there's a 50-50 chance that marijuana will be legalized by the federal government or reclassified as a Schedule III substance within the next 12 months, which is what testosterone is currently classified as. Marijuana is now classified as a Schedule I substance, the same as heroin. Now, my stock picks are not investment advice, nor are they to be construed in any way as investment advice. My stock picks are made by the technical analysis of stock charts of a company. For investment advice, consult a certified financial planner or a registered investment advisor. So, now we plan to buy, here are stock picks. I've got 5 stock picks. The first one is Columbia Care. The symbol is CBSTF. I plan to buy this today on the open. First of all, you can see that on the 6 months chart, it came out of a head and shoulders bottom. I had the trend line drawn, the neckline drawn. You can see it crossed above it actually 3 days ago. On big volume, it crossed above its 50-day moving average, the blue line, and its 200-day moving average, the red line. That's a very bullish event. So it's a solid buy sign. Now, the next stock is Cresco Labs. Now, Cresco Labs did the same thing on Thursday of last week. It crossed above its red 200-day moving average and also crossed above the 50-day moving average and moved out of a formation. That's a good sign there. On Curaleaf, it did the same thing in early December. You can see that it crossed above the 50-day moving average, and it crossed actually above the 200-day moving average back in mid-November. So that's Curaleaf. Now, it broke out of a consolidation range on Wednesday. Now, Needham gave it a buy rating on August 10th, 2023. So that's that stock. Now, the next one is Tilray. It closed above its 50-day moving average in early December, and it crossed above its 200-day moving average, the red line, about 2 weeks ago. Roth gave it a neutral rating on September 1st, 2023. And the final stock is Trulieve. Trulieve crossed above its 200-day moving average back in early and mid-November. And on Friday, it crossed above a significant top trend line. Even Needham gave it a buy rating on November 9th, 2023. So we think it's off to the races with the pot stocks. We expect them to move up at least, I would say, 50% within the next 6 months. Now, remember, my stock picks are not investment advice, nor are they to be construed in any way as investment advice. For investment advice, consult a registered investment advisor or certified financial planner. Now, by the way, if you have anybody that has psoriasis, I had psoriasis for, 40 years. And I was able to get rid of my psoriasis and I was able to get rid of it twice completely. It vanished, absolutely a miracle. Now, you can go to YouTube. I cured my psoriasis in 30 days by Joe Cotton, and you can look at it and see how I did it. You might have some friends that have psoriasis. It's a terrible thing. Now, keep in mind that I am an expert champion stock picker. I've won 3 national contests. You can see that, and placed 2 and 2 other ones. My stock pick in 2021, which was Casaba Sciences, I picked it at $9 a share. It was up to $145 a share in late July. I sold it for $79.28 back in June to establish my gains for the contest. Now, we published a letter, market letter. It's called Cotton's Technically Speaking. It has an absolute 30-day, 100% 30-day money-back guarantee beginning when you get your first issue. It's published every the first and third Monday of the month. A 1-year subscription is only $199. So I hope you'll buy it. And by the way, I hope maybe you can, hope these stock picks are good for you. Thanks so much, and God bless you.